Wagwan, wagwan, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, head on Noah up. A big shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, commented on my videos, and most of all, shared my videos. Big up on yourself, one love. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. Or you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back so you don't forget. Guys, please note that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. A massive shout out to all my clients in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. May I talk about people who travel from North, South, East and West to start their hair journey with me, and to all the clients who travel from other countries to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself, one love, and you don't know all the things set and the things set good and proper. For those of you who have been following this client's hair journey, either on my YouTube or on my Instagram, you know that the hair growth is real and it's extraordinary. For those of you who haven't seen any of the previous videos that I posted of this client, I will leave the links below to his previous videos so you guys can go and check out his hair growth journey to see how we've achieved 3 inches of hair growth in less than 6 weeks. So to cut long story short, this client started his hair growth journey with me 5 weeks ago prior to this video, and I gave him his first steam treatment 3 weeks ago prior to this video, and that was to unclog his follicles to prevent his hair from shedding and frizzing. And today, 3 weeks later, we saw a massive change to the shedding of his hair when we were shampooing the hair. So if you haven't seen my last post on how I shampoo and steam the hair, I will also leave that link below in the description box so you guys can go and check it out afterwards. Aside from the fact that there were barely any shedding in the water when I was shampooing the hair in my previous video, we can't ignore his extraordinary hair growth since his last appointment 3 weeks ago. So guys, the proof is there and it is documented that my Speechless hair care products are extraordinary and they continue to provide extraordinary results. You've not only seen proof on my husband's hair growth journey, but you've also seen plenty of proof from my clients' hair journeys. So if you would like to purchase my Speechless hair growth blend, please visit our website speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and my full Speechless range will be available for you guys to purchase soon. Guys, you can now book your one-to-one consultation. If you need any hair care tips or advice, please email speechlesshaircare@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please press like because you like it, and share it because sharing is caring, and comment your thoughts. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. And don't forget guys that I'll be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. You get what me I say? And you don't know all the things setting up.